Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today we are going to learn some words and I will show you some pictures and you have to guess what is the name of those pictures. Let's get started. Let's see. Do you know what is the name of this picture? Is it pub? No, it's not pub. What is it? It's cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Let's see the next one. Yes, do you know what is it? It's very easy for you, right? Is it bun? B-U-N, bun? No, it's not bun. What is it? It's sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. What is it? Have you seen this insect? Yes, is it rug? No, it's not rug. What is it? It's bug. B-U-G, bug. What is it? Bug. B-U-G, bug. Yes, next one. What is it? Yes. Is it rug? No, it's not rug. What is it? It's jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Now, it is written here, cross the words that rhyme with heart. That means UT. You have to find out UT at last. That will be a rhythm. Okay, that will be a rhythm. So, cross the words that rhyme with heart. You have to cross those words that has the same rhyme with heart. For example, you can see it here. What will be? Yes. And this is a beautiful heart. The picture of a beautiful heart, right? Now, let's see which one. Yes, cut. Heart, cut. C-U-T, cut. Heart, cut. Heart, cut. Let's see which one is the next one. Yes, a nut. Heart, cut, nut. Heart, cut, nut. And the next one is bird. Heart, cut, nut, bud. So these words have the same rhyme, right? Heart, cut, nut, bud. You can repeat after me. Heart, cut, nut, bud. Heart, cut, nut, bud. Let's see the next one. Okay. Now underline the words that rhyme with sun. So you have to find out these two UN, the last one. Okay. Underline the words. Okay. So now underline the words that rhyme with sun. Let's see which one. Okay. So there are some words, cup, run, gum, bun, bug, rug. So you have to find out those words that have the same rhyme with sun. Let's see. Yes. Okay, now run. Sun, run. Sun, run. Sun, run. Next, bun. Sun, run, bun. Sun, run, bun. Sun, run, bun. These are the same rhythmic words with the sound, right? Sun, run, bun. Sun, run, bun. Let's see the next one. Okay. It is written here, use correct letter making the words with UN, un. So you have to find out the correct letter to make the words with UN. Let's see how you can do it. What? Yes. This is a boy, right? What he is doing? What is he doing now? Yes. This is, can you guess? Yes, this boy is running. So this situation is run. R-U-N, run, right? R-U-N, run. Let's see the next one. Yes, do you know what is the name of this picture? What is it? Yes, this is, okay, I have used here UN. Now you have to complete the word using bun, B, right? B-U-N, bun, B-U-N, bun. Next you see, what the boys and girls, what they are doing. Let's see what what they are doing. UN, yes, they are doing fun. F-U-N, fun. They are doing fun. F-U-N, fun. So let's repeat after me. The first picture, run, R-U-N, run. The second one, bun, B-U-N, bun. And the third one is fun, F-U-N, fun. Now use correct letter making the words with U be up. U be up. Let's see. Yes, what is it? The cutie cub, right? C-U-B cub. C-U-B cub. Next one. Yes, what is it? Can you guess? So UB is here, so it will be rub. Rub, okay? ঘষে ফেলা, ঘষা, কিছু rub. For example, rub the board, okay? Rub your palm, something like that. R-U-B, rub. And then what is it? Let's see. Tub. Yes, this is tub. So now repeat after me. Cup, C-U-B, cup. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Cup, rub, tub. Cup, rub, tub. Let's see the next one. Okay, now use correct letter making the words with UT, art. UT, art. Let's see. Okay, can you guess? UT is here. Which letter you need to complete this word? Yes, cut. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Next. Can you guess? UT is here. What you have to use? Yes, what is it? Yes, this is nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. So cut, nut. Cut, nut. Now, use correct letter making the words with ug. Use the ug. Use correct letter making the words with ug. Yes. So, I have used this word several times. So, what is called? Yes. This is rug. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. Let's see the next one. Yes. Easy. Can you guess? Mother and baby. So baby hugs her mother, right? So rug and hug. Rug, hug. So easy. So rug, hug. Now let's see the next one. Now use correct letter making the words with U-M, Can you guess? Yes, it is written here, right? Bubble gum. So you can see here U-M, so it will be gum, G-U-M, gum. So one kind of sweet, right? Candy, gum. Now, and 3 plus 2, what is it? U-M is here. Can you guess? Yes, it is called sum. It is called sum. Gum, sum. Gum, gum, sum. Gum, sum. Let's see the next one. Use correct letter. Use correct letter making the words with UD. UD. Let's see. What the boy, what what is the boy doing here? UD. So it will be mud. You see, this is part called mud. Mud. In Bangla kada, right? Mud. Muddy area. Okay. Next. Yes. Do you know what is? Okay. So this is called bud. Bud, bud. Right? Before flower, we can see bud. Right? And after bud, the flower blossom. So mud, bud, mud, bud, mud, bud. So that's all for today, dear kids. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.